Brrrah! You are now live with the 404 Noir sound test. I don't have to introduce you to who this is because you already know who this is. The 404 Noir crew, goddamn. Let me put the music down, damn, so you know what the hell's going on. 404 Noir, what's going on?
Yo, what's poppin'? We out here.
Ugliest nigga on planet Earth. What's going on? Oh no, this nigga. You know how you wake a sleeping giant? You know how you wake a sleeping giant? You play the motherfucking Sleeping Giants theme song.
Oh, yeah, he must have been talking about me. He must have been talking about me. I already know how we come, you feel me?
Anyway, it's the 404 Noir sound test. We came to play some music. We came to have a good time before the podcast starts. This is the pre-test. And this week, last week, if you didn't listen to last week, was the funniest episode I've ever been a part of. Marcus's pick for the ratchetest, Karen hatingest music of all time. So if you didn't watch that, go ahead and get a chance to watch that. And this time we got video. So once you check the sound of this, go ahead and check the video version of this. It's also on patreon.com. But let's not bore you with the details. Let's get into the music. This week is my pick. So okay, for something not as ratchet, not as dread twisting, but something that I hope that the people like. You boys ready for my whatchamacallit?
Hell yeah, we ready, bro. Go for it.
My pick this week is Low Key Vibe. So y'all follow up with this. I've been waiting to play this song all millennium. This is Go DJ by Quinton. This is the 404 Noir sound test.
The blunt still burning, the clock still turning. The waist keep whining while our ass keep twerking. The DJ's on my team, I'm serving the DJ's on my team. Can I get a go DJ? Go DJ. Can I get a go DJ? Go DJ. Can I get a go DJ? Go DJ.
The 404 Noir sound test, let's go!
Come on now, dog. Come on, man.
Yeah!
Eyes low, I'm getting down on the dance floor. Little mama, can you tell me where my hands go? Amazing, I might be your biggest fan, no. Thought maybe you could take me where you come from, and maybe I can show you what I'm made of. Yeah, baby, I can find some time to get close, but really I ain't got no time for fake love. Wake up and take drugs. Bottle of Henny in my body that. Cause somebody tell me what a party at. Oh, let's toast to the good life. Passed it to the left and she brought it back. And now the blunt still burning, the clock still turning. Always keep one on eyes, keep twerking. The DJ's on my team, I'm serving the DJ's on my team. Then I get a go DJ.
That was my pick, Quinton, Go DJ. Low key vibe, low key bop. I feel like that's something Q would probably be listening to with his ugly ass.
That shit, I'm not gonna hold you. It's a slap. Shout out to DJ.
All right, so who's going next? Marcus, David, Q?
I'll go next, nigga.
You next?
Playboy Cardi, you already know. I gotta give it Skeleton.
Oh, let's see if it's on.
Let's see if it's on there. If it's not, no lie, gotta be on there.
Is that one of those?
Yeah, it's one of those unleaked.
Man, let me go to YouTube real quick, man. This man. If you don't know, the connoisseur of the podcast.
Straight up.
I can't even say it's you, bro. I like me some Playboy Cardi too. I'm not gonna flex.
Hey, that's a bet, man. 2 Playboy Cardi fans. Hey, dog, if you listen to this, dog, shout us out, man. Get some tickets.
You see the other people not alive because they over here asleep. Wake up! Hey.
Yeah, they woke now.
Look at this nigga.
They woke now.
Look at this nigga. He
woke now.
I know, right? So, Q's pick for the sound test is Skeleton. Oh, no, that's the wrong pick. That's the wrong pick.
That might be it.
A little familiar. Does look familiar. Let's go. This is the 404 Noir podcast. Oh, no, it's not, because it's the sound test.
Whole lot of red, whole lot of red. One shot to the head, nigga you dead. I don't give a fuck about me. Kill a nigga off red. Just bought a new cake, that's a brand new leg. Got a brand new bitch, that's some brand new friends. Got a brand new bag, hold up. That's some brand new ends, hold up. Got a brand new coupe, that's a brand new Benz, hold up. Got a brand new watch, Skeleton, hold up. BD, hold up. That's a bust down, hold up. Shawty get down, hold up. Shawty come around, hold up. Shawty know,
Ain't a nigga I trust. I hit that home in your gut. But it's a rush. I turn that hell to a slut. Shot ain't gon' fall. We put that phone in the stuff. I wanna fuck this shit up. I'm going too fast. What the fuck? Hell we gone. Yeah, Slack gotta fuck up first cause I don't know. Yeah, Slack gotta fuck that hoe, man, that ain't my hoe. Yeah, Slack gotta touch that hoe, that ain't my hoe. Slack, fuck up, gone. Yeah, them better red, hold out a dog, hold out a red. One shot to the head, nigga you dead. I don't give a fuck about you, kill a nigga off red. Just buy a new cake, that's a brand new leg. Got a brand new beat.
That was Skeleton, unreleased music by Playboy Cardi. This nigga's on his phone, ugly ass nigga. Let's move it on.
He over there Snapchatting and shit.
And baby, look at me chilling on the goddamn. Anyway, what y'all got? What's going on?
You got one, Dave?
Low key bop, low key vibe. You got something to follow up with that? This nigga David, stay confused, goddamn.
I got this.
You got something? All right, let's turn this off. All right, what you got? What's up?
Ooh. Oh, I know what that is. If you would have came to the goddamn party yesterday.
Oh yeah. What you doing yesterday?
Good question.
Yeah. Oh, scratch his knee.
Good question.
This is what happened. Nah, we good.
What's what? What's popping? What is it? What's up? Let's put what's up.
What's up?
What's up by who? What now? Oh, little shoulder shimmy. Okay. Little shoulder shimmy. Little. Why is he not popping up? Is this released music?
Yeah, that was on Future's new album.
It was not on Future's new album.
Yes, it was, bro.
No, it was not.
You want to bet?
You want to bet?
Let's bet. Here we go.
So it's gonna be on Sasuke. Sasuke.
You never heard Sasuke?
Anyway, what album is it on?
Eternal Attempt.
Deluxe or? This nigga got an album called or mixtape called Goddamn.
It's not a mixtape, it's just a single.
Now, what was the name of the song again, David?
It's called What's Up.
Let me see if I can find
Oh,
it.
I'm tripping.
Oh, yeah, you tripping. That's a dollar.
Nigga, we didn't shake on nothing.
Where's it at? Oh, what's up? Okay. This is What's Up. David's pick for the 440 Noir sound test.
I was thinking about All Bad.
What the fuck's going on? Oh, hold up. I got a call. I'm saying this live on the podcast. What's going on? Is this Uber Eats? I'm going to take it as it is. Come on in.
Yo, he's probably like, what the fuck?
Lemuria, the food is here.
That is
Bloopers.
Hey, y'all gonna have to be DJ while I get this food. This is What's Up by Future. Oh, no, my bad. By Lil Uzi Vert featuring Future.
You got time. That nigga got to get here.
What's up? Play that trumpet for the real niggas. What's up? Play that trumpet for the real niggas. Do it. What's up? 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 I'ma make sure they remember me, cause I walk around with a lot of enemies. I'ma make sure that they feeling me, so I walk around with a new lemon squeeze. Everybody know I am from outer space, so you know the aliens be sending me. Yes, I walk around pocket, got bank account. If you wanna catch up, need like 10 of me. Now statistically, I can win every time, but you know the score probably like 10 to 3. And them 3 times that I had to take an L, I remember them boys tried to finish me. Said we brought a wood, I brought like 50 else. They say how you keep all of that energy, cause I can't go back to the hood where them niggas could send at me. I remember living right next to my enemy. Now I got too much money, I could blow up your whole facility. Yeah, getting too much money, I can build me a new facility. I fucked her 3 times, so I call that girl on my trinity. In no time, I would never ever let them sentence me. And in no time, gotta duck off, cause these niggas would love killing me. What's up?
What album was this, Marcus? Exactly. There you go. Shut your ass up.
This nigga, oh my God. He just fucked up the whole sound test. He took his phone outside.
He really did.
Oh,
He must not know this shit is off his phone.
Wow. Another blooper scene right here.
Another blooper. We'll wait.
We interrupt this program to bring you
Courage, the Cowardly Dog Show, starring Courage,
the Cowardly Dog.
Come on now, dog.
Yeah,
Come on, man.
Maine born as a pup. He was adopted
He was found by Muriel, and he lived in the middle of nowhere. And with her husband, Eustace Bang. That was his last name?
I forgot his last
Eustace
name.
Bang.
I thought it was just
Eustace
Bangs.
Bang.
Oh
Yeah, Eustace Bangs.
But
And
creepy stuff started to happen. And it's up to Courage to save that
His
new
home.
stupid dog. You made me look bad. That boy Courage is getting down.
When will Jeff come back with his phone? When will he notice?
Too late.
Yeah.
That's when he'll notice. When it's too
YouTube, he's
late.
fucking this up. He's fucking this up. This sound test. It might still go up.
Straight up.
There it is.
Great answer.
There it is. Straight up. Straight up. Straight up. Flex. Yo, if y'all need my ad-libs, fuck with the kid, you feel me?
Nope.
So, Mark, what song was you finna play, man?
Oh, I was gonna go some throwback shit.
He's gonna throw some throwback shit. Oh,
Yeah,
damn.
yeah.
How far old are we talking about? God?
When Groove Shark used to be a thing.
Oh, shit. Goddamn. Goddamn. Hold on.
Do you even know what Groove Shark is?
You just
I
truly
do
tried
not.
my ass up.
Actually.
Like we was not in the fucking same house, my nigga.
Ah, yeah. I was surprised if you know.
God damn, man.
That's not really. Nah. Let me not use that. Let me not use that. Still thinking.
So since we waiting on this ugly ass nigga that just fucked up the whole podcast, man. It's your boy DJ Tsunami on the ones and twos, man.
Bro, you know your phone.
When did you figure that out?
Yeah.
When did you figure that out?
As soon as I open the phone.
Yeah.
Yeah, we still recording. Going in strong.
Entertaining as hell and not boring sex.
No, of course we were boring, duh.
Duh. Like,
Come on now.
like
Anyway.
come.
You want to play the extra song since we kind of did just justice? Oh, what's up?
You said what?
You still want to play? Where's my mic?
I have it.
Get my goddamn. You want to still play some of your songs since I did Miss Justice?
Hell yeah. Started from the top.
From the top, goddamn. This nigga got songs called Strawberry. This nigga got a whole fucking meal on here. Hold up. Let me go back. All right, guys. I obviously disrespected the King Louis Vert, goddamn. So I got to go back. I really don't want to, but okay. Go ahead and pick another one. Priceless?
Prices.
Is it on this album? Is it all the way at the bottom? Secure the bag. I'm really about to fat smack this bitch ass nigga. P2? Footsos.
That's some vibe stuff.
This is.
Is Little Uzi Vert your favorite artist?
This whole album was fire as hell.
All right, this is P2 by goddamn Little Uzi goddamn.
Besides that, Chief keeps on.
Oh my God, in heaven. Jesus Christ. It's not hooked up to the Bluetooth.
I know the technical difficulty.
Technical difficulties, number two. Number two.
Shoot. On the spotlight, Q. Name all 4 animals.
Pig, elephant, giraffe, leopard.
God damn, he's a smart ass nigga.
Yes, sir.
All right, here we go. Here's P2.
Yeah, it's quite a ride. Wake up in the morning, then I'm getting back to it.
This is the 440 sound test.
Back to it. You ain't shown me no love, so I turn my back to you. Yeah. I can't get no racks to you. I don't really care, cause I'm done.
What? This? Yo.
There's no emotion on my face. You see me everywhere you look, no, you can't hide or run. Get up, everything I said. Messing with your head, messing with your head. I said everything I said. Messing with your head, messing with your head, bro. Messing with your head, bro. I've been texting her all night. She know I was going wrong. She left me right on red. Now I'm walking with my head down. I gotta keep my head high. I got a whole nother check, not talking verified. Rest in peace, my dad. I am no hater, yeah, we in the same way, but only difference is that you do not own me. I could just tell by the way that you're driving it. I pull up in that car just like a stone. Yeah, came a long way, came from the hallway. I can't stop, keep going. Yeah, my life just feel like one long day. I just live in the moment. Coming out just when the sun down. My boys, they roof is like hoops and they really run down. I got paper cuts from running down the bills covered in bust downs. Counting with my thumb now. Money make me numb now. I don't really care cause I'm done.
That was a song you've heard before. Yo, P2.
Come on now, dog.
Come
on, man.
Are you serious? Why is it not P2 Life XOLO Tour Life Part 2 or some shit? It's the same beat. That nigga said the same.
That's what P2 stands for.
That nigga don't know how to spell it. All right, anyway, who's next? Marcus. Marcus.
Come on now, dog. Come on, man.
Marcus, you got to pick.
Yeah, I got it.
Lil Uzi Vert Part 2 of the same fuck. How's that Part 2 is the same shit?
It's part 2 to the other song, man.
Name a movie that has a Part 2.
Avengers. Shut your ass up.
All right, I fight the same villain. It's Part 2. That's some bullshit. Anyway,
it's a different song, man. It's a different song.
Marcus, what is your pick?
We're gonna take it back. We're gonna go to
hating ass nigga.
Get your ugly ass, nice ass shoes out of here.
We're gonna go to the notorious B.I.G. Who shot you?
New York said to stand up. What song?
Who
Real
shot you?
hating ass nigga.
This nigga still shot you. Oh, the remastered version? What is the remastered version on here?
It don't matter.
All right, this is Who Shot You on the remastered 2007 version.
It's my doubt.
Come on now, dog.
New York stand up.
I turn the mics up.
This nigga said turn it up. Turn it up.
Turn that shit the fuck up. What? Turn it louder. Who shot ya? Separate the weak from the opsa. Leap hard to creep them Brooklyn streets. It's on, nigga. Fuck all that bickering beef. I can hear sweat trickling down your cheek. Your heartbeat sound like Sasquatch feet. Thundering, shaking the concrete. Then the shit stop when I fall the plot. Neighbors call the cops and they heard mad shots. Saw me in the drop, 3 1/4. Slaughter, electrical tape around the daughter. Old school, new school, need to learn though. I burn, baby, burn like disco inferno. Burn slow like blunts with yayo. Feel more skins than Idaho potato. Niggas know the lyrical molesting is taking place. Fucking with B.I.G. it ain't safe. I make your skin shake. Rashes on the
That
masses.
was the legendary notorious B.I.G. Who shot you. Rest in peace. Rest in peace.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Well, boys, that was a interesting episode of the Sound Test, episode 2, video version. God dang.
Yes, sir. Hey, we could use this for Instagram.
We really can. I bet you niggas will be bopping for real.
Yep, Instagram.
Live stream it too.
For real. We need to get on that.
Yeah.
So if you are a Patreon watcher, go ahead and donate. Not donate, but go to tier 1 of the Patreon account. It's only $1, and we'd be able to do that shit real quick.
Real quick.
But this shit's for free, so I mean, do what you want. Goddamn, you enjoyed it, you liked it. Obviously, you watched to the end because you're still here watching me. Oh shit, that's the wrong guy.
Damn, trivia question.
Oh yeah, how much dollars do you got to put towards us? Answer quickly. All right, anyway, that was the sound test. Goddamn. A vegetable, a carrot.
I knew you was gonna say carrot. I had that all built up for you to say carrot. For you to think of that damn a carrot, and I was gonna say carrot.
Boy, if you don't.
Anyway, goddamn, that was episode. Marcus, you are really not feeling no niggas right now. Look at this nigga.
Nah, I was trying to figure out where the hell this joke was going. So you knew I was thinking tomato.
I knew you was gonna say carrot.
But
This is
tomato ain't
episode 2 of the
a
sound test,
vegetable.
goddamn. Don't
Stupid.
ignore this nigga, goddamn. You go ahead and listen to the podcast after this. When we, I can't even know what I'm gonna say. Appreciate you being on the sound test. My brain is everywhere. We'll see you guys later.
Peace.
What the hell are you talking about?
I had that
What the hell are you talking
I had that whole shit built